now this is the part where I sit here and I figure out, this is the creative process of the day. I had to figure out how am I going to start off this video, because it's like, well,
slight commentary. People suck.
Well, welcome to a special edition. We got guests. So,
Hi.
we're going to protect his name. You know, I'm Dave, and this is Jason. But yeah, we have guests today, and we're actually...
I'm actually the reason why we're making this video right now.
Oh, yeah. Because somebody decided they were going to pull a boat on a trailer up to his dad, yeah. And it unfortunately didn't work out. Yep, right now we're currently in Cincinnati. We're going down to Lexington, Kentucky, and we're going to put a boat on the trailer. We're going to do some long distance hauling today. Hopefully, nothing will go wrong.
Truth be told, just to let you know, because I know there might be some minor confusion, we're not putting a boat on a trailer. We're putting the boat and the trailer on the trailer.
Yeah, this should get interesting really quick.
Lovely view of construction.
Yeah, very lovely view of the construction here. I remember your old Dodge, the old 76. I'm driving, and we won't mention anybody's names that was actually in the vehicle, but you jumping on the hood and then hood surfing. Going down a back road at about 70.
Yeah.
That was something like, oh, look, Jason's on the hood. No big deal. He'll be okay, as long as I don't slam on the brakes.
Oh look, car.
Look, here comes a car down the road. I wonder what they're gonna think about this. And this is at nighttime, folks. We don't do this shit during the day. Uh-oh. Did you just see that? What a retard. I don't care. He's a construction, he's a new construction field. He's gonna do what he wants. Hi, how you doing? Look at me that way. Look. This is weird. Why is this lane like as open as it is? This is weird. Okay, here it is.
Because everybody loves.
Yep. Dick Jover trailer.
Whoa!
Oh!
Really?
Really? You
Freaking retard. Sorry.
You're gonna cause an accident. Pull into it.
And the Honda's wanting out.
And the Honda won out. Okay. Come on. Come on. You can do it!
Wow.
Dumb Ohio drivers.
Yeah. Now, see, we had already had like a 15-car pileup if we were in Knoxville.
Yeah. I bet they were cussing us.
Which one?
Anybody and everybody behind us. Yeah, I'm not waiting this. We're doing my route. Watch my
You already cut him off once.
Oh, well, I was gonna fucking cut him off again. Let's just keep it going.
Hey, at least he's being nice about it. He's not flipping you off.
Not yet.
Yeah, this is true.
Look here. There's Paul Brown Stadium there.
Oh, that's changed a lot.
Paul Brown, and then there's where the Reds play right there. Right there. Yeah, very nice. Okay. Right now. You just stand right now. Stand right. Okay, stand right. Sorry. No, hold on. Come here. You got someone. Hold someone up. Yes, that was do someone. Okay, right now. Set close right there. You want this. It ain't too bad that way. As you can tell, we're going to look at this before you know. Peace. We go back there. Oh, that's that. I think they got the first second. Now we are in Kentucky, so
Feels like I was just here.
yeah, it just probably does. So I'm just going to give the camera a break for a little while. I hope you're enjoying what's There's the load. Let's check out and see what got fucked up here. Looky there. Yeah, I shouldn't be able to see all the way through that. Probably could have maybe repaired it here on the side of the road or here in the Walmart parking lot, but yeah, fuck it. We're going to take her home because she's also done some damage back here to the back of the tire. Yeah, she's kind of screwed the pooch on this one, man. So, yeah, it'll probably be repairable, but this tire's about screwed. We got about another 150 miles to go to get home. That probably screwed it over. Get the camera looking at me. Alright, well, let's mount up and get the frig out of here.
Gas Grove and Road.
Hell yeah. Alright, later. Fucking figures.
Your shit sounds pretty good.
Fuck!
You vibrate my bladder from through a closed window.
Oh, hey, damn. I don't know how many times I've almost rear-ended this Hyundai. I bet they're getting sick of seeing me. Lost my brakes. Shit. Well, that's fun. Let it be something simple.
Just makes a man want to smoke.
Front brake line.
Front brake line. Oh, nice.
Okay, so I stopped filming there in the parking lot because I was somewhat in a hurry. So basically what happened was the brake line blew on the front end. Went it down about a mile down the road. Got a new brake line adapter, you know, blah blah blah, fished it all together, bled the brakes, good to go. Brakes are better than ever, and then we came home. So yeah, no problems, issues after that. But just wanted to get home, wanted to get on the bike, take me and the woman out for a ride, have a beer, whatever. So yeah. But yep, sorry I didn't film no more, but I was a little bit busy. So yeah. I'll leave the video just like this. So comment, rate, subscribe, and yeah, the video is what it is. So catch you on the flip side.